So what a cold week ahead, and throw snow on top of it all.
Yeah, you know what I've been saying.
I know
if it's this cold,
it might as well snow.
There's people at home right now saying, yeah! Others saying, you know what, Tim? You better zip your mouth.
I'm on team zip it.
Well, okay. You know where you stand.
But I love you, my friend. I love you, my friend.
Let's talk those numbers this morning, guys. Numerous school delays because it's so cold. These are just the air temperatures you're seeing, mid to upper teens, but you factor in the winds, and it feels close to 0 at times with some of those stronger gusts. Currently, it feels like 2 right now in Ahoskie, 5 in Chesapeake, 3 up to Newport News, 12 in Williamsburg right now, not seeing any winds, 2 in Hampton, and a single degree it feels like when you step outside up in Elizabeth City. So the cold topping the headlines again today, but the cold is setting the stage for our first accumulating, more widespread snow of the season here in Hampton Roads. As the storm that's going to bring us that push of winter weather, we're going to see another burst of some Arctic air coming in behind it, with highs by the end of the week, into the weekend, back down into the 20s. Winter storm watches are now up for pretty much all of Hampton Roads, with the exception of far inland counties there. This is going to be a storm system that the closer you get to the coast, the higher snow totals you'll get, with the majority of the storm staying offshore there. This is effective tomorrow evening through Thursday evening. These will likely be upgraded to a winter storm warning by this evening, I'd imagine. All right, here's how it looks on Futurecast. A really wide shot here, because most of the storm system is going to be off the coastline in terms of its energy and moisture, but the far western flank making it far enough inland to impact Hampton Roads here, northeastern North Carolina, with a band of some moderate to heavy snow, possibly starting off as a little bit of a wintry mix tomorrow as our temperatures do climb a little bit above freezing. But overnight, certainly all snow, and it'll be very fluffy snow. High fluff factor is what we call it. So it'll accumulate and accumulate fast before it moves all off to the north and east and draws down that push of cooler air out of the northwest, dropping our temperatures even further. So here's what I'm thinking in terms of snow totals here. I think there's going to be a big sharp cutoff in terms of areas that see less than an inch to those that see several inches of plowable snow here, depending on exactly where that storm center is here. So here's what we're thinking right now: general 2 to 4 inches, depending on where you are. Higher totals, I think, the closer you get to the water and farther east. So behind that system, we do drop our temperatures into the 20s. When you get a fresh snowpack as well, you get colder overnight lows. So I wouldn't doubt if we see some single-digit lows by the time we get into Thursday night into Friday morning. Here's how it looks on Futurecast in the short term. Today, lots of sunshine, a breeze, and temperatures similar to where they were yesterday, in the mid to upper 20s to around 30. Overnight tonight, we're clear. We drop back into the teens, but tomorrow the clouds start building on in. Those will cap our temperatures. We do warm a bit above freezing, so at the onset of the precipitation, probably some sleet pellets and some wet snowflakes here before the cold air injects itself and we turn over to all snow overnight. 29 degrees today, mostly sunny and very cold. Tonight down into the middle teens. Thankfully, the winds do die off, so we're not going to be talking about wind chills this time tomorrow morning. And then we warm into the upper 30s on Wednesday. Clouds increasing, snow developing by evening, lasting into early Thursday morning before it tapers off. And then we're cold, sunny and dry into the weekend.